Hello, good day. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Simon Uzoma. I bring to you an update that we are almost done with this particular building. This building we are building at Urumba North, Ufuma precisely. You can see that we are almost done. Right now we are the plastering stage. You can see the professional plastering we are giving this building. This is a 5-bedroom duplex. Okay, you can see what my boys is actually doing here, giving the house finishing touch. Okay, you can see everything. Okay, you can see this is a professional plastering. After this plastering, we do what we call screeding. Screeding. After screeding, then we do what we call painting. Then after painting, another thing can come up. We are almost done with this particular house. The tiles are ready, the doors are ready, the windows are ready. All the material that we need in order to complete this building is actually ready. Okay, you can see what my boy is doing, what my boys are doing, giving it a finishing touch. Okay, so I said I should bring us an update of what we have right now. Okay, like I said, my name is Simon Uzoma. What I do in this channel is I help those in diaspora, those in Nigeria to have a beautiful home, a wonderful home, to have a magnificent home. Okay, for those who are coming here for the first time, click on the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building, when it comes to real estate, when it comes to cost of material. You'll be getting it here free of charge. Okay, so this is what we are. This is stage we are right now. You can see that we are almost done with the building. This is the finishing touches of my boys are actually giving this house professional plastering. Like I said earlier, all the materials are ready. The doors, the windows, the tiles, and other things are ready for us to conclude this particular project. Okay, okay. Check out everything that we've done. This is professional work, high quality material, and everything is high quality. Okay, click on the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. You can share this video to your friends and loved ones. For those that want to build their house, those that be looking for good engineer and quality material to build your house, give us a call. My number is right now, right here on the screen right now. You can see my number. Give me a call and tell me what you want. I will give you what you want, from building plan to building material to building a house to giving you cost of the building. I'm here to serve you and give you the best. Okay. Once again, my name is Simon Uzoma. What I do here is I help those in diaspora, even those in Nigeria, to have a wonderful home, a beautiful home, a home they can actually be proud of. Thank you for watching and see you other time. Bye.